Alden, it's your update. Yan, kumanta pa nga si Alden ng When You Say Nothing At All. Just sa Vietnam. Yan, nagkaroon ng meeting. Ito yung video.
I'll share. It's amazing how you speak right through my heart. We're not saying a word. We can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain why I hear when you don't say a thing. Come on.
Yan.
Thank you so much.
So, ito pa yung IG story ni Leisa. Ang ganda pa nga ng view, just sa Vietnam. And enjoy lang ng Team Alden. So, featuring din si Alden sa post ng GMA Network. Sabi, Alden Richard represent PH Cinema at Danang Film Festival with Out of Order. So, ito ba? Ang 11 na pinikula ang nag-world premiere just sa Vietnam. Isa na dyan yung Out of Order ni Alden. Ngayon pa lang, congrats na kay Alden. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.